In this video, I'm going to show you how I trim out multiple casement windows like these. On a multiple window system like this, you have to take into account that each window isn't going to be perfectly plumb and square to the next window. Now when you're looking at how to set your reveals, meaning how far out to make your sill there, you know, the reveals here on the sides, there's some guidelines that I use. I don't know if there's any hard set rules, but generally I use the width of a construction pencil, and that's how I set how wide I want this one to be. I want it to generally be set back about that distance. I use the pencil for the lower sill as well because I just like the look of the reveal. I want it to be tight. In this situation, I've got a faucet here, and I don't like it to stick out too far unless it's for some sort of a purpose, like it's going to hold something. So that's how you set this reveal here. Now, as far as the reveal in the window goes, if you're looking for consistency, the sill to this edge here is your starting point. So if you look at this one here, it's about 1 3/8 inches. So what I did was I went around and I set and marked 1 3/8 inches all the way around, and then figured out if I've got 1 3/8 inches there and 1 3/8 inches on the other side, how wide are my center boards going to need to be, and that determined what size stock I bought. And then we ripped down larger pieces to make these work. So in this case, these were 1x8s, the sides are 1x4s, the tops are 1x6, and this won't have a finished little apron underneath here. It's going to have tile here. The rest of the windows in the ADU here will have a little finished piece below. Alright, that pretty much wraps up our trim out video. You've seen me install the trim here on these windows, some doors. I've still got some baseboard trim to do, but you get the idea here. We'll get this stuff done. The next time you'll see this thing all finished up, after we get the final coat of paint on here, will be when we do the final walkthrough tour. As always, if you like what you see here, please hit subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks.